Supercharge your English, Suffix Magic. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of suffixes. We'll learn how to use suffixes in context to greatly enhance your vocabulary and understanding of English. Buckle up and let's get started. Before we dive into practicing with suffixes, let's quickly go over what they are. Suffixes are a set of letters added at the end of a word to alter its meaning or function. They can change a word's grammatical category, like from a noun to an adjective, or modify the meaning subtly. For example, adding ness to happy gives us happiness, shifting the adjective happy into the noun happiness. Learning suffixes might seem a bit abstract or unimportant. However, knowing how to use them in context can significantly boost your language skills. Not only will you increase your vocabulary, but you'll also be able to make better guesses at unfamiliar words' meanings. In addition, they can hint at a word's function in a sentence, aiding your comprehension and fluidity. Let's start with a simple exercise. Take a base word, such as joy, add different suffixes and try to form sentences with these new words. For instance, with the suffix full, we get joyful. Now, use joyful in a sentence, like, she had a joyful day at the park. Try this strategy with other base words and suffixes. For example, hope plus less equals hopeless. Comfort plus able equals comfortable. Excite plus meant equals excitement. Try to form sentences using these new words in a context you're familiar with. Once you've gotten the hang of it, challenge yourself with more complex suffixes and base words. Here are a few examples. Intuit plus ion equals intuition. Hypothesize plus ation equals hypothesization. Procrastinate plus or equals procrastinator. In your daily life, whenever you come across a new word, try to break it down. See if you can spot the suffix and guess what the base word might be. And there you have it. We've unraveled the magic of suffixes and practiced using them in context. With these strategies, we hope you feel more confident in expanding your English vocabulary and understanding. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to play around with words and their suffixes. As always, keep practicing and keep learning. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!